Oh my. I think this may be a setup.
Alright. Cool. I got this a couple of years ago for Christmas from my brother-in-law. This is the Kreg setup bars. It goes from 1/2 inch down to 1/8 inch. And what I'm doing today is it makes setting up your router really easy. So I've got to make a rabbet in this, and I know it's 3/8 tall and 1/4 inch deep. So I could get my tape measure out, or I could get a metal ruler out, but I've got these setup bars. Let's see, 3/8 inch deep. So I set that on there. I don't know if you can see that, but that's rocking back and forth. So I'll go underneath. I don't have a fancy router lift. I just have a little bar on my router. So now I know that that's 3/8 because it's sitting right on that bar. So that set it up. Okay. So now I want to set up my fence for 1/4 inch deep. So I lay that against. I pull the fence up. And I know that right there is 1/4 inch deep. Because how do I know that? Okay, so here's my router bit, and this is the longest point, which is the cutter head. And I set that and I push it, and see if I can get some more light on that. Anyway, so now I know it's 1/4 inch deep. This is a terrible light in here. Maybe oh, there we go. I was standing in the light. So there's the cutter head. There's the bar. So I can see that. There we go. And then I just tighten up my table. And we're good to go. Alright. Thanks for watching. One last little bit so I can show you. See, I just moved up my piece because I drew those lines on there at 3/8 and 1/4, and see it matches right up with the router bit.
Thanks for watching. See ya soon. The future is now.